All right, good morning. We are doing another craft video with Ari. This week you should have received 2 crafts in your bags. You should have a butterfly, a 3D butterfly. Uh-oh, mine just came apart. This is the end result. Okay. And you also should have a Mother's Day craft with flowers, okay? So we're just gonna jump right into it. Let's set this to the side, hopefully it won't fall. So for your butterfly craft kit, all the contents, you should have received a small little square piece of paper with instructions just in case you need it. 2 butterfly pieces, and I've already started it. One with the string with the slit at the end. And another butterfly. This is the one I've already started. That slit is at the top. And then a butterfly sheet with wings and stickers for you to decorate, okay? It's another simple craft this week. So what you're gonna do, and I'll read off the instructions. It says, place all the contents in front of you, preferably on a table, okay? So it's easier to work with. Next, it says you have 2 butterfly pieces, one with a string and one without a string. We're gonna use our sticker sheet to decorate our butterfly. So like I said, I already got this one decorated. I didn't decorate this side, but this side. You're just gonna take the bigger pieces, just peel it off. Hope you guys can see it. Just peel and stick. And you can decorate it however you want to. Uh-oh. Sun is shining bright today. It feels really good out here. It was kind of chilly, but sitting in the sun feels amazing. Okay. And then you can just peel off some little flowers. Uh-oh, the birds are not happy. Peel off some flowers to make it beautiful. Again, this is your creation. You use your imagination, decorate it however you want to. Just gonna do something a little simple. So that's just to show you how it's done. I'm not gonna do both sides, but you're gonna decorate all 4 sides of the butterfly. This side and this side, this side and this side. And feel free to color it in like I did this one. I just colored the outsides and I colored the butterfly and his little antennas, okay? I did it on all 4 sides, okay? So after you decorate, we're gonna take the butterfly with the string and we're gonna slide it over top of the other butterfly, the 2 slits together. So you see how the slit is right here and it's at the bottom of the one with the string. You're just gonna slide them onto each other like so. Okay, so it looks like that. Of course, it'll be more beautiful and colorful after you're done with it, but that's what it's gonna look like. Let me show you one more time. They're separate like this. To put them together, you're just gonna take the 2 slits, okay, and put it over top of each other like so. Make sure it's fitting in there nice and smooth like that, okay? And that's the butterfly. And now when you're done, you can hang it outside. You can hang it whatever you want to. I thought it'd be a nice little spring craft to do. And that's the first craft, okay? So I'm gonna put that to the side, put my instructions to the side. All right, now we're gonna work on the Mother's Day craft, okay? So, you should have received a bag like this. You're just gonna empty, this has more pieces in it. So you're just gonna empty out all your contents in front of you, like so. Be careful when you're taking them out. You don't want them to roll all over the place or drop anywhere. I'm gonna kind of organize my space. So I'm gonna put the leaves in one area, maybe the flowers in another. Okay. There's also some pieces like this that you punch out. These are also flowers that you're gonna use, okay? Right there. I have my stems. These are what these are. They look like little straws, but they're actually stems, and you have different sizes. I'm gonna lay those over here so they don't roll. See, I have the box where we're gonna put the flowers, and I have this white piece where we're gonna stick this in the box, okay? So let me get my instructions out. Okay, I'm gonna lay them to the side. All right, so the first step we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and open this box. And to do that is you just kind of bend it where there's creases. Bend it up. It's already done for you. And kind of press down in the middle so it'll kind of stay. Okay. Here we go. Now you're going to take this white piece. And there's actually holes in here that you poke out. Okay, I think there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 holes that you're going to poke out. This is where your stems are going to go. Okay, like so. After you poke those out, you're just going to bend the sides downward. And like a square. There we go. And what this is gonna go inside your box, okay? I put mine all the way down to the bottom, and this is what it looks like, okay? So I'm just gonna stick that to the side for right now. So next what we have to do is we have to make our flowers. And you guys, this doesn't have to be perfect because as I was trying to make the example, I couldn't get it to be perfect, but it's still my creation and that's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop out these flowers that's in my rectangle here. Go ahead and pop all these out. Uh-oh, that one doesn't want to come out. Oh, there we go. Gotta put a little force behind it. There we go. I'm actually gonna group them together. I'm gonna group the same shape and colors together because you're gonna sandwich these two. You're gonna sandwich the ones that look alike together. Lord, I can't rip these. Okay, next let me do my pink ones and then I should be done. Uh-oh, I missed some. Be careful. Try and make sure you get all of them. So in these squares, rectangles, excuse me, there's normally 2 flower pieces. Like for this one, I missed these 2 on the side, these smaller ones. These smaller ones are gonna go in the middle of the big one that I already punched out. There we go. I'm gonna pull that let me move that to the side. We're gonna start making our flowers. So I'm gonna do a tulip. So I'm gonna take my 2 purple pieces, okay, 2 purple pieces and my long stem, okay. So you're gonna peel the back of it off. Uh-oh, they're starting to roll. Peel the back of it off, and I'm gonna lay it down to kind of help me out a little bit. I'm gonna take my stem and I'm gonna place it to the middle at the end, okay? So it's gonna look like this. Now I'm gonna sandwich it. I'm gonna take the other one that looks just like the purple tulip, the other half of it. I'm gonna put it on top of it. Now I can't get my measurements exactly right, but it'll be close enough. And they are sticky, so be careful. I'm just gonna press it together. And that's what it looks like. Now for the long flowers, that's where you're gonna put your green leaves on. So if you want to go ahead and do so, you can go ahead and peel a green leaf off. Take your flower, kind of put it in the middle where the sticky part is. Put the stem in the middle of that flower. In the middle of that leaf. Then you're just gonna fold it to one side. Like so. See, I can't get it exactly right, but that's okay. It's a little unique. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another one, another leaf, just to show you again. I'm gonna peel it off. I'm gonna make it to go, let's see. My leaf is already on this side, so let's try and go to the other side. I'm gonna take it and place my stem right here in the middle. Okay, and I'm just gonna fold it over like so. Okay, and that's one of my flowers. If you want to, you can go ahead and put it in your box in one of the holes that is already in the bottom, like so, if you want to go ahead and do that. Or you can wait until you have all your flowers done. It's solely up to you. Let me do one of the shorter flowers. Let's do a yellow one. But you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take the flower, peel the back of it off. Oh, this one's a little hard to do. There we go. Lay it down if you want to. I'm gonna take the shorter stems for the for these kind of flowers. I'm gonna place it down. I'm gonna take the other one that looks just alike, peel the back of it off. And I'm gonna sandwich the two, okay? So it looks like this. Okay. Now, for the smaller flowers, let's see, I thought I had some more of these small ones. I guess I don't. I'm going to take these two, the smaller ones, and I'm going to place them on top. Okay, smaller one, I'm just going to place it on top of this one. I wish I had a different color of the smaller ones, but it's okay. So it looks like this. Hope you guys can see that. All right, I'm going to take the other one, I'm going to place it on the back. So this is what it looks like. Let me give you a close-up. Okay. Now it says for these, you do not place the leaves on there, but honestly, if you want to, it's fine. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You can do it however you want to do it. This is your flower, your creation. So you can do it however you want to do it. I'll do another flower. One more flower and you guys should get it. Again, taking my long stems from my tulips, placing it in the middle, taking the same color tulip, removing the backing, and sandwiching it. Alright you guys, sorry about that. My video, it cut off, but there's the other flower that I was doing. Sandwiching the two. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my leaf on. Remember placing it in the middle and then just folding it back. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and stick it in my box in one of these holes. All right, so you're going to continue doing this until you've done all your flowers. Remember, they sandwich each other. Okay, so the two yellows together, two blues, etc., etc. And these smaller ones go on the bigger one of these. Okay. All right, and uh-oh, most of my trash got on this one. This is what it looks like at the end, and you can set it however you want to. All right. There you go. You can set it in your house. You can give it as a gift or whatever you want to do with it, okay? It's just a simple craft. I hope the video made it easier to do, okay? And I just want to wish all the mothers and the women, and you know, some men too, who has been a mother figure, whether it be your own child or a relative or whatever the case may be. I want to wish you guys a happy Mother's Day and continue to stay safe. And I hope to see you guys soon.